Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A5 headlight only way. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts and protect airbags, then open the hood and locate the headlight mounting points. Use a 10mm socket and trim tools to access clips, remove 3 bolts, and carefully unclip the harness. Work patiently, keep fasteners organized, and test the headlight after reinstallation to confirm alignment and function. In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A5 headlight only way. Begin by gathering tools and prepping a clean workspace near the car, then disconnect the battery negative terminal. Remove the bumper fasteners or wheel liner if needed for access, and keep bolts in a labeled tray. Work slowly to avoid snapping plastic tabs, and use a trim tool to ease clips free while supporting the headlight assembly with your other hand. In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A5 headlight only way. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent after a day of wrenching. It's a light, fun way to reward yourself after clean work, and it makes the car feel brand new again. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A5 headlight only way. With the battery disconnected, unclip the washer reservoir bracket if it obstructs access, then remove visible screws and hidden clips around the headlight. Carefully unplug the wiring harness and detach the leveling motor connector, then remove 3 mounting bolts holding the assembly. Support the headlight as you pull it free, check for remaining clips, and set the unit on a soft towel to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.